Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about you, rather the assumptions you guys have about me. I think it's going to be fun. I think a mother can never have too much help. Now there's Shukar, Shamsher, Ashish, me. This is totally wrong. I like to believe that I'm someone who's very soft and kind. I don't hate it, but I don't like it for sure. I was born there, but I never grew up there. What sort of an assumption is this? It's like my last preference. Did someone known ask me this question? Completely wrong. In fact, I have pleasantly surprised everyone around. Correct. Whoever assumed that about me really knows me. I think I'm pretty calm. Ashish is going to be like, कुछ तो शर्म कर लो. I am always positive. That is definitely correct. But I also do have bad days. Being positive doesn't mean you're not going to have bad days. It simply means you're going to have bad days, but you can just power through them better and you can just go through them better. I was having this chat with my mom the other day. Yes, we have people to do everything for them, but at work. So on a film set, you have your spot, you have your people, you have your cook, all of that. But at home, no. आप अपना घर एक normal household की तरह चलाते हो. Like for me, I have my beautiful team of Markish, Teju and Millie, and they do everything in the house and they really take care of it. They share jobs, but eventually घर आपको ही चलाना पड़ता है. So I do the ordering of the vegetables, getting of the vegetables, the hisab, what needs to be brought, what not. So I can't just like sit back like one queen and be like, hello, everything's happening. No, I have to get into it. So it's like delegation, but I run it like any of you would. So you know what? This is kind of true. It's not like they get unlimited free clothes. Yes, now the market of this whole collaboration and people sending you gifts has increased a lot, so there are a lot of gifts coming and everything. Plus you have the stylist to style you for events, but you know, I am someone, I like to repeat my clothes, to be honest. I even repeat my clothes like from yesterday to today. If I like this outfit, which I do by the way, like I like it and I've worn it only for this little shoot, I will repeat it tomorrow. There's no way I'm giving it for washing, because I think it's just wrong. It's not very environment friendly, and B, I like to repeat clothes. I mean, totally. And I mean, when stylists style you, then it's fine. But normal clothes तो हम repeat करते हैं. Like of course हम करते हैं, थोड़ी ना free में भी आते हैं कपड़े, but उनको भी आप repeat तो कर ही सकते हो. Deal with traffic, everyone has to. I mean, of course I have to deal with traffic. Unless you have a convoy, you have to deal with the traffic, and I don't have a convoy. So traffic, yes. Stand in lines, yeah, correct. Sometimes I don't. Most of the times I don't have to stand in lines, except at places like the doctor, the airport. Airport also not so much. I do, of course. I chat with all my friends on Instagram DMs. The ones from strangers, like you mean the ones in the requests bit? That no, I barely check, because honestly most of the time I forget about it, that it exists. My team does. Team, do you check?
Yeah.
Okay, team checks, and then sometimes they send me and then I'm like, nice. I don't. What? At the cost of sounding immodest, that is true. Somehow I think I look the prettiest in the morning. And like I wake up with amazing skin and I wake up with amazing hair. I don't know ये भगवान की क्या दुआ है, but it's true. Why? I don't know. I just feel like when I'm well rested, and I think that whole thing of ki subah, I don't know. I think I look very good in the morning. It's true. Firstly, I don't only do yoga content. Does it look like I'm sitting and doing yoga here? No, I'm trying to do, guys, a lot of different content. I'm not even trying to make content, to be honest. I feel sometimes I'm just trying to share my life and have a chat about it. So I'm trying to do different things. Have I quit acting? No, I don't think you can quit acting. But if you're asking about getting back to work, I'm not working on sets, but I will at some point. As of now, I am on a break for sure. There is no time except a little bit once a month for this when I can do this from the safety of my home. But बाहर जाके अभी set पे जाने का बिल्कुल ना bandwidth है ना time है. Maybe in due course of time. ये कौन से connections है भाई? मुझे भी बता दो. मुझे तो नहीं पता what connections these are. I think I've spoken. Whoever's asked me this question has seen zero interviews of mine or knows zero anything about my life, because I have been very explicit about this. I have described the process, how I got Pyar Ka Panchnama 100 times, and it's a very, very interesting story. I have tested for it. I was made to wait all day. Then मुझे रात को जाके like almost पूरा दिन wait करने के बाद Lafsa asked me, the casting director Vicky asked me, do you want to do this film? I discussed newcomers, blah blah. So no, I worked very, 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 very hard, and I auditioned a lot, and that's how I got the film with no connections. I have no connections in the industry. Yeah, that is kind of true. And I did. I think it's very instinctive, and I think it came very naturally to me. And sometimes not sometimes, all the time, I genuinely feel like I was meant to be a mother, and it's come very instinctively to me. I think from changing the first diaper to feeding her, to waking up at night, bathing her, massaging her, it's all come very, very naturally to me. ये क्वेश्चन किसने पूछा है मुझे? I want to settle score with you. Of course I do. How is that even possible? Every new mother, I can give it to you in writing. No matter at what strata of society, where you come from, who you are, how much help you have, of course you're sleep deprived. There's no way. My answer is there's literally no chance. Every new mother is sleep deprived, so I don't understand that question. I'm sleep deprived even 10 months postpartum, as you can see. Yeah. Regular new moms. What does that even mean? Regular new moms. I'm regular. I'm not AI. And no, I haven't bounced back. And secondly, I don't understand what bounce back is. I don't want to bounce back. I think I made it quite clear. I think none of us mothers should have had to bounce back. So ना तो मैंने bounce back किया है, ना तो मैं super fit हुई हूँ अभी तक, और हाँ मैं regular mom हूँ. On the contrary, I think I'm not so photogenic, in the sense I think I look better in person and my photos don't come out so well for some reason. I've always been told so. I'm prettier in person, no? है ना? And my photos don't do justice to me. Trap tha. I feel so. I think shut up. Okay, yeah. Correct. I don't get nervous. There are parts of me that haven't changed and I'm the same Sonali, but there are huge parts of me that have changed completely. I think you can't remain the same person post motherhood. Um, you can't. I think scientifically, biologically, it just does not make sense. It's not true. So there are parts of me that I have retained, but most of me has completely changed. I have heard this question way too many times from the time the film is released. No, I'm not. That's because वो उसको acting बोलते हैं and I would like to believe I'm a decent actor, but for the longest time, especially around the time the film is released, most people would come up to me and think that I am that sort of a girlfriend, but I'm not. I am a very nice girlfriend, now a wife. If you have further questions, you can ask or DM Ashish. Wow, okay, this question is wrong at many levels. But what is a modern mom? And no, I don't let my baby sleep in a crib simply because I believe in co-sleeping. So I sleep with Shukar every single night. I have since the day she's been born, and I love it. We sleep together on the same bed, and it's called co-sleeping, and it's honestly the best thing for your baby's nervous system. It makes them feel secure, loved, all of that. I believe in it. But I think there's absolutely nothing wrong with mothers or parents who choose to make their babies sleep in a crib. There's nothing modern or not modern about it. It's just the way it is. I don't believe in it, but a lot of mothers do, and it seems to work for them. So, well, this was fun, and I was quite taken aback by a lot of assumptions. I'm so glad we cleared the air. I feel judged, guys. No, it's been fun. I think it was all fun and games, and I had fun. The point is, I had fun, and I hope that you guys believe me now. And until then, see you next time. And if you have some more assumptions about me, I would still like to know them. Let me know in the comments.